I want to talk just a moment about uploading a file to Smart Learning Suite Online so that you can share it with mom and dad. We've talked a lot about uploading pre-created content. So let's take a look at some details for that. So, once you're in Smart Learning Suite Online, you have the option here to add an activity. Now you can import notebook files, PowerPoint files, or PDF files. That's what we mean by pre-created content. And just as a quick reminder, don't forget, you can turn anything into a PDF file. Just a quick little note, I have a Microsoft Word document. If I go to File, Print, underneath my printer options, I have Microsoft Print to PDF. And as soon as I click on Print, it actually asks me to navigate to where I want that file to be saved. I click on Print, I put it on my desktop, and you'll see there's a PDF file that was previously a Word document. And now I can go back to Smart Learning Suite Online, and even though I could not upload that Microsoft Word file, I can upload the PDF version of that file. So that all works exactly the same way, no matter what file type. You can take Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides, all of those, turn those into PDF files. You can take a web page and turn it into a PDF file. So I particularly really like using PDF as the file type that I upload because it's a very quick upload. So let me show you real quickly something you might run into if you are trying to upload a PDF that you have gotten from Teachers Pay Teachers or one of your publishers, Pearson, something like that, Scholastic. You may run into, let me find irregular plural nouns. You may run into getting an error message like this that says you have a password protected document. Now, this, of course, is so that no one can utilize this file illegally, right? To resell it, to make money off of it, any of those things. If you have a license for that document, if you have purchased it from Teachers Pay Teachers, if you've downloaded it properly, if you have a subscription to your to a service, then you are absolutely allowed to use that document. But what you have to do, I'm going to go back into that file, and let's see, it was irregular plural nouns. When you open it up, I'll know that it's protected. It's protected with security. You can go into edit and you can see security properties, and you can see that printing is allowed, but it is password protected. So the way that you can make this file usable for Smart Learning Suite Online is simply to go to File, Print, and you'll see under Printer, it's selected to print to PDF. And then I'm just going to give it a different name. And it asks me where do I want it to save. And I'm going to say irregular nouns, new. And I save it. And now when I go back to Smart Learning Suite Online, and I go to, we'll start at the home screen again, I go to Add Activities. This time I go to Import a Resource. And remember, I saved it as a new file on my desktop. There it is, irregular nouns, new. This time it will allow me to import it, to utilize it on Smart Learning Suite Online. And from here, of course, I can add all my different activities, videos, games, convert this page to an activity, etc. We'll look at that in more detail in the next video. Now, don't forget, you can import notebook files, PDF files, and PowerPoint files. If your district has the Google integration, the app turned on, then you also can start right from your Google Drive as well. But just wanted to show you guys a little bit more about how to add content that you will then be able to modify and share with your kids in their packet.